Hello everyone and welcome to this Kartra tutorial for beginners. This is a complete walkthrough. Kartra is an all-in-one platform that is effectively a business in a box. If you're tired of a chaotic approach to business where you duct tape together separate tools for emails, landing pages, checkout, and members, then Kartra is designed specifically for you. In this tutorial, we're going to dive deep into the latest interface, covering everything from building high-converting pages and setting up automated marketing sequences to launching your first product, and then managing a membership site. We'll also explore the new Kartra AI tools that can write your copy for you and the funnel mapper, which lets you visually plan your entire customer journey. By the end of this video, you have a professional-grade setup ready to capture leads and process sales. If you want to try out Kartra yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to check out the discount price and get started. This is the best way to ensure you're getting the current, most competitive rate while you're following along with this walkthrough. Of course, with any tutorial for beginners, we'd like to show you the sign-up process. At the top right here, you can see Get Started or Log In. For a beginner, if you don't have an account, you can click and get started. Then you will be taken to this page where you'll need to choose a plan to work with. After you've completed the easy to follow sign up process, you'll be taken to this page, Kartra Welcome. Let's get started. So it says you need to click the button below to begin the account setup process. So we're going to click on Start. Then right here, you'll need to create a password and secure your account by creating a security question and an answer. This is a secret question you use when you're trying to recover your account, and you'll need to provide your secret answer in order to recover your account. So let's go ahead and fill this up. Then on this page, you'll need to fill in your company name, what industry your company is in, the address, and other details. At the bottom, you can tick this box stating that you've read and agreed the terms of service. So after this, you can click on Go to Kartra. It's going to take you a few moments to configure your account, so you just need to sit back and wait a few moments. Now, when you first log in, you're greeted by the main dashboard. This is your 30,000-foot view of your business. On the left-hand side, you'll see the primary navigation menu, which is organized by function. At the top right, you have your admin menu, hidden under your avatar. This is where you handle team members, billing, and integrations. The first place most people start is contacts. This was previously known as leads, and this is where your entire database lives. If you click on contacts, you'll see the options right here. You see lists, forms, all contacts, and surveys. One of the most powerful things about this platform is a granular tagging system. You don't just have an email list, you have a living map of user behavior. You can go ahead and click on the lists, then go ahead and click on the plus list button to create a container of subscribers. Now, under the name of list, you could call this newsletter prospects. And here you have your public description. Now, this part is important as it will be shown to unsubscribers just to remind them of why they have signed up in the first place. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just write in anything. So we just have this little information right here, and then you'll see the next button highlighted. Click on Next, and here it says your list has been created. You can go back to your list, import contact, and create an opt-in form. The next thing to do is to look at the Sales tab. If we just minimize the contact, you'll see the Sales tab amongst other options. So we're going to click on it, and this is a drop-down. Your Sales tab houses your products. Now this is where the magic happens for your revenue. Once you click on this product, we just gave it a random name. So here you can see your basic information, your pricing, pages, legacy layout, affiliates, and links. If you click on Legacy Checkout, you can choose between a Kartra hosted checkout page amongst other options that are available for you to make your configuration. Now this is also where you can add your other bumps, those little boxes that let customers add a secondary product to their cart with a single click. Once you finish the wizard, Kartra automatically generates a checkout URL and even provides the code to embed it elsewhere. Now we need a place to sell the product. Navigate to Pages, which also can be found on the left sidebar of your Kartra dashboard, and you'll see All Pages. You can click on All Pages, then you can go ahead and click on the plus page button. Now once you do that, you can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates ranging from squeeze pages and sales pages to thank you and webinar registration pages. We're going to choose this. And once you hover over it, you can see select. Now you need to give the page a name, a category, and you'll need to fill in the site. So you can do this in order to click on create to proceed. So now we have the name, sales page, and that's enough for us to click on the create button. Of course, it's best to follow with the details regarding the category and the site details. But we're going to click on create for this tutorial, a name, and then you'll be taken to the canvas where you can make some further edits to the template. Of course, the template is not what you want to use at the end because you have your own brand. You can go ahead and change the picture right here by clicking on the section or any aspect of this web page, and it's completely editable. So you can click on this, click on edit style, and then you could make some changes to the image. You can see right here image selected, and if you want to change it, you can do just that by clicking on edit. The editor works on a block-based system. On the left sidebar, you have the editor, then you have sections, components, and settings. If you want to add a new headline, simply go to components, then find headlines and drag it onto the page. And then it's going to appear like this because the headline is supposed to have a bigger form of text than the others. Now, if you want to edit the text, you can simply double click on the section or the block and you'll be able to make your edit right here. As you can see, we're just writing anything we want. So that's exactly what you need to do to make some changes to the text. Now, a unique feature here is the columns mode versus the component mode toggle at the top. You can see that currently the columns mode is currently toggled off. The columns mode lets you adjust the structural grid and spacing, while the component mode is for the actual content. Before you finish, always use the device toggle at the top to see how your page looks on the mobile and on tablet. So you can see how responsive your site will be regardless of the device. When you're ready, click on the Actions button at the top right corner and then select Publish Live to get your URL. So here you can see get the page link or get the page code. For those who want to get the page code, you can grab the page code and upload it to your own server. But if you get the page link, you can upload this page to the internet and get a direct link. Once you click on it, you see the page link right here. So your page is now ready. At this point, we've been able to show you how you can use these different models, the sales, contact, and pages to start to talk to one another seamlessly. Also, if you want to try out Kartra yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to check out the discount price and get started. Having that discount is a great way to lower your overhead while you spend your first few weeks building out your own assets. We're going to go to the marketing tab. Now this is split into different options. You can see emails and SMS, sequences, automations, and funnels. Now once you click on emails and SMS, this will lead you to where you can keep in touch with your prospects and customers. Then you have sequences. A sequence is a multi-day automated journey. For example, if someone joins your list, they get email 1 immediately. So for example, if someone decides from a form to opt in, or they make a product order or join the list, you can create a sequence of communications. This could be the first email, which will be basically a welcome email, and then you can define the time delay in between steps. So this is a journey for different clients according to how you design it in your sequence. Now the real power lies in automations. Just on the left side under marketing, you can click on automations, and in automations, you'll see the if-then logic. You can create a rule that says if a lead buys product A, then remove the prospect tag and subscribe them to the customer sequence. This level of automation runs your business 24/7 without you lifting a finger. You'll need to upgrade your plan in order to have this amazing feature. And now let's not forget about Kartra AI. When you're inside an email or a page editor, you can use the AI copywriter to generate headlines, body text, and subject lines. You just give it a prompt about your product and it spits out brand aligned copy in seconds, which is a massive time saver for anyone who struggles with blank page syndrome. If you want to see the big picture, you need to use the funnels menu. Once again, on the left side, you can look for funnels right under marketing. And here you'll find the funnel mapper. This is a digital whiteboard where you can drag and drop icons representing your pages emails, and products just to see how they connect. This is a sample right here. So it's one thing to have a list of pages, and it's another thing to see the visual flow of how a lead moves from an ad to the checkout page, which is a dream of anyone selling a product. Next, we'd like to talk about campaigns. You can see where you can build a mailing list, sell a book, sell a course, sell consultancy services, and the list goes on. Then if we step away from campaigns, you can come over to memberships. Now, if you're a creator, you'll be spending most of the time in memberships. Click on the memberships tab, then select all memberships, and you'll see Plus membership right here. This tool allows you to build a secure portal for your students or clients. The membership builder looks very similar to the page builder. So right here you can see some options, and say we want to select this. Going to give it a name, First Members, just to give you an idea of what it's going to look like if you're actually creating something. We're going to leave it at the sidebar, click on Create, and then you can go to Content. Then here you have Settings, Content, Comment, Access, Progress, Help Desk, Welcome, and Automations. But we're going to focus on the content, and here you see Membership Content. Click on the Launch Builder button. So here in the builder, you can create categories and subcategories for your lessons, drag videos by using the video option right here. You can just simply take it right here. And of course, you could drag and post your content right here. And through practice, you'll be able to use the builder effectively to design what resonates with your brand. Now, rounding up the utility tools, we have calendars, surveys, and help desk. The calendars tool replaces things like Calendly. You can now set your availability and let clients book discovery calls and coaching sessions directly on your Kartra pages. You can click on events, click on calendars, and using the calendar tools right here. Again, in order to use this feature, you'll need an upgraded plan in order to enjoy the functions. Then right here, you have Help Desk. The Help Desk gives you a professional ticketing system so you can support your customers without losing track of your emails in your personal inbox. Then once you click on your Kartra logo once again, you have your reports section. This gives you deep analytics of every single aspect of your business. You can see your sales analytics, your email open rates, and even heat maps of where people are clicking on your pages. This data is what allows you to stop guessing and start scaling based on what is actually working for you. In summary, Kartra is the ultimate solution for anyone who wants to stop being a tech integrator and start being a business owner. The platform has evolved into including cutting-edge AI and funnel mapping that puts it ahead of most competitors in the marketplace. By following this walkthrough, you now have the basic knowledge to help you build your first funnel, launch your product, and start capturing leads professionally. If you want to try out Kartra yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to check out the discount price and get started. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.